Today we'll be taking a quick look at the Dutton-Lainson Electric Quick Connect for DC Strong Arm SA Series and TW9000 electric winches. These connectors can really be used for just about any kind of quick connect application that you might want to use them for. They are designed to work with a 6-gauge wire. That wire does not come with it, so you will have to pick some wire up on your own. But basically we'll get our two connectors for either end of that wire, and then our 4 tips to connect to the wire itself. These need to be soldered in place to make a good electrical connection, and then those little tips will clip into that connector and hold them securely in place. You just want to make a note of which side goes where. There'll be a little embossed negative sign for the negative terminal and then a plus for the positive terminal. So our wires fit in there, hold securely, and then if you ever need to remove those wires, you can pry down on the connectors on the other side, and that will release the tips. Our connectors measure about 2 inches long by about just under 1.5 inches wide, and then about 1/2 inch thick. We'll have 2 mounting holes there if we want to permanently mount those. The distance between those mounting holes center to center is about 3/4 inch. And the diameter is about 1/8 inch for those mounting holes there. Our tips again work with a 6-gauge wire and overall measure about 1 1/8 inches long. This is going to make that easy, quick connection between your trailer and your wiring, or your winch and the wiring on your truck, or the wiring on your truck and your trailer, or really any application that you might want to use these for. And that's going to do it for our look at the Dutton-Lainson Electric Quick Connect.